For sphere lies within the ellipse in case of negative crystals. Ellipse lies within the sphere in case of positive crystals. Along the direction perpendicular to optic axis, VE greater than V0 in case of negative crystals, V0 greater than VE for positive crystals. So next one, Polaroid. Polaroid means it is a device which exhibits double refraction plus dichroism. Double refraction, dichroism. Double refraction means when an unpolarized light is propagating through a crystal, instead of one refracted ray, there are two refracted light rays. The splitting of refracted light ray into two is known as the double refraction. Dichroism means selective absorption. Selective absorption. కాబట్టి a device which exhibits both double refraction and also dichroism is called as the Polaroid. First Polaroid is designed by the scientist Nicol. So that's why it is also called as the Nicol prism. So in case of a Nicol prism, this is taken as a Nicol prism. It is a Nicol prism. Nicol prism will be cut into two equal parts along the optic axis. Suppose this is the optic axis. Let this Nicol prism is cut into two parts along the optic axis. The optic axis. Again, these two portions or these two components, they are again joined by using a Canada balsam layer. On this, a light is made to instant. Light means this is unpolarized light having equal number of arrows and dots. It exhibits double refraction means while entering into the crystal, the refracted light ray will be split up into two rays instead of one ray. One of the refracted light is having only arrows, second light is having only dots. Individually, these two are said to be plane polarized lights. For extraordinary light ray, refractive index mu e. For ordinary light ray, refractive index is equal to mu naught. So this Canada balsam layer, this will be act as a rarer medium for the extraordinary light rays. That's why it will be freely transmitted through the Canada balsam layer, and this will be emitted out from the crystal. And the light ray contains sigma components means ordinary light ray. For ordinary light ray, Canada balsam exhibits or acts as a denser medium. Means it will completely total internal reflection. Means angle of incidence at this point should be greater than angle of critical angle, so that it is completely totally reflected within the crystal or within the prism. Now on the surface, there is a black surface, there is a black paper or a black painting, and this reflected light is completely absorbed by the crystal itself. Means the ordinary light ray will be absorbed within the prism. It is called as the selective absorption. So this type of property of the crystal is called dichroism. The two refracted rays are produced instead of one ray. It is called as the double refraction. Cut in this way, the emergent light from the crystal is having only plane polarized light which contains only arrows. Means this is the production of the plane polarized light by using Nicol prism, and this Nicol prism is also called as a Polaroid. Recently, Polaroids are prepared as very thin. Polaroids are prepared as very thin films. These Polaroids are recently divided as K Polaroids and second one H Polaroids. K Polaroids and H Polaroids. Next one, what are the uses of the Polaroids? Uses, it's very very simple andy. First one, Polaroid means it absorbs some of the light, half of the light. That's why these Polaroid films, they are used widely in window glasses of the costly vehicles. In case of motor cars, aeroplanes and so on, they are window glasses, they are made with Polaroid sheet. Polaroid sheet is very very thin film which is mounted between two glass plates. So sunlight is made to incident on it. Half of the light will be absorbed within the given Polaroid, remaining light only passing through the crystal. That means intensity of the light will be decreases while going through the Polaroid sheets. So that's why Polaroid films are used to reduce the intensity of incident light. That's why they are widely used in the motor vehicles as well as aeroplanes. Second one, Polaroid films. Polaroids are also used to take the 3D films and also used to see the 3D films. Next, third one, Polaroids are also used to produce or to identify the helical structures of the nucleic acids. These are the uses of Polaroids. So my dear students, this wave optics topic is completed, and from next day onwards I will start the new lesson called Dual Nature of Light. Thank you.